Hello, my name's Lissy from Motor Match Stoke, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Volkswagen Tiguan 1.5 TSI EVO R-Line Tech DSG. Now this vehicle is a petrol with an automatic transmission. It is ULEZ compliant and is finished in indium grey metallic. To start off with, then you have your LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 20-inch Suzuka alloy wheels with a two-tone finish, really complementing the indium grey metallic exterior colour. You also have an electronic boot lid, and once open you can see that you've got a substantial amount of boot space. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps even a pushchair. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the race cloth and San Remo microfiber upholstery. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest, or you could fold it away. This vehicle also features a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, you have your volume controls and buttons for your information panel, and of course you also have your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys, allowing you to travel at a constant speed. Taking a look at your dash, you can see this vehicle has done 46,412 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey included, but this is your DAB radio, which is all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so that you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Along with this, you also have Bluetooth connectivity, which allows you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring that you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. You also have a navigation system which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. As well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which is supported via a USB, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps, or perhaps just listen to your own music whilst on the go. You also have a 360 view camera, which allows you to see almost every angle of the vehicle, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier. Moving to your climate control, you have a dual zone climate where you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, as well as easily adjust airflow and airflow direction. You also have front heated seats, which is a luxury to have. This has been a presentation on a Volkswagen Tiguan 1.5 TSI EVO R-Line Tech DSG that's now available to purchase from Motor Match Stoke. For more information, please contact our sales team.